Hello everyone, welcome back to Zorba Reviews. Today we have a completely different segment, and I would like to just directly get into the subject and let me discuss about this drone. So this is M3 MAX toy drone that I got from Amazon for around 3,200 rupees, and there was no discount or any sort. This was usually sold between 3,000 to 3,800 range in online and offline. So depending on where you're getting from, it's going to differ the price, but the product is same. It's basically made in China. A Thai drone that have been sold in India with these images, and I did see some couple of videos they have taken about this drone, the review videos, but I thought they didn't discuss much of the points that I'm going to discuss. And in this video I'm going to give you a review rather than showing how to fly. That I'm going to show you in another video. So let me give you a photorealistic view of what this drone is about. So you can see it looks like a amazing drone, try drone at very less price. You can see that it has three cameras and it has a sensor, all that shit, right? Okay. So let me show you what this product comes with. Drone, propeller protectors, remote control, sprayer propellers, charging cable, and a manual guide. So basically it just tells you how to use your drone, or how to fly your drone, how to repair your drone, all that, but it doesn't give you much more in-depth review. So this is the look of this drone. It comes assembled. You don't need to do anything except you have to add these propeller protectors if you want to, but I suggest definitely you should. Okay. So as you can see, this is how the drone looks. It's pretty weightless. It says it is close to 300 grams. I think it's yeah, like without battery it does weigh around 200 grams. And this is the look of the drone. So touch and feel is okayish, not premium, not very low grade, but definitely it feels sensitive. And the parts, and I did open this door, I did open it through here to see if I can change the camera module. I did see what's inside. I was okay for this price. I'm definitely saying okayish. And the reason I bought this drone is to uh, learn in the sense, I got my DJI drone, but I don't want to play around it, don't want to learn in it. I'm little scared to handle it, because you can always handle a drone when it is facing like this, but when it is facing like this, it's a little tricky thing. When I practice a drone, especially with a remote control, so I'm going to get my hands on and I will be able to navigate this indoor in my home in closed circles, so that I become a little bit confident when I'm flying my DJ drone. So coming to this drone, so what you've been told online or offline, all that things are fake. Don't even think to spend much more on this drone because it got some features, because all of those are fake features. So I would suggest you, whichever you get cheaper, try drone, get it, because if you think to record something in this drone, it's crap. Don't forget about it. Don't even think about recording anything and uploading from this drone. It's crap. You might think, oh, it comes with three cameras. No, it doesn't. It just comes with one camera, and those are fake lenses. And oh, it comes with a object, it will, if it is going to hit something, it is not going to, because it got a sensor. No, those are just lights. They are not sensors, just lights, bare lights, LED lights. As you can see in the front, the same lights. It's going to flash light, but not going to protect your drone. So that's about the technicality of this drone. And it comes with two batteries like this. If you want to add upon a different battery, you can purchase from their seller, or you have multiple sellers. In reality, the drone fly for almost say 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on your wind and how you're flying it. So speed, everything matters, right? So I'm just giving you average. So this is the description of the battery. So it comes with two, and it comes with a micro C charger, and it takes approximately half an hour to charge one battery. So, and this is the remote control, and it also supports app which you can connect your phone here and you can fly, and it doesn't come with a memory card slot. So whatever you record on the drone will be recorded onto your phone through the app. So that's how the system works. And the remote control needs triple A batteries like this. So sorry, double A battery like this. If you have a rechargeable battery like this, you can use it, or you can buy normal double A battery. So it needs three batteries. So if you are buying this drone, just buy those batteries ready, because they don't provide any batteries along with this case. And this case is pretty bad, like extremely bad. Like I'm like, it looks like, like this in the photo, but it's I don't know, like yeah. So if you're thinking about future and buying, don't buy it. Waste, completely waste. You get 1,500 rupees tie drones, go for it. Camera, crap. Don't even think about it. I just wanted weight. So that is the reason. Like, that's the only reason I bought this. I'm pretty aware of what these features are, how fake they are, and these are not brushless motor. They are brushed motors. So you know what happens with brushed motors. So all this is fine. So this whatever, like, body it has is very fragile, and this drone will not lock where it sits. Like, people might tell you it doesn't have any geolocking, so it will drift where the wind is going. So you need to be very careful. I tried flying this outside, and it was such a mess. Like, I have to practice it more, because in city I cannot like just simply do it, because a lot of wires and buildings. So I has to be very careful when I'm flying outside. But the whole intent is to learn from this, play around with this, just like, just take the whatever, like, it gives, and just use and throw. Like, that's a whole intention, because there is no purpose of it carrying for travel, or like, photography, or like, if you are thinking any such things, forget about it. Don't buy, don't even try buying this drone. Like, this is not for that. This is only to play around with your drone. And this is very fragile, so make sure that, like, you are prepared to spend much more if something goes like one. This only you get four, but drone needs eight. So you understood when you need more. Like, you cannot upgrade anything, you cannot upgrade any space in this. Whatever comes with this, it only supports that. If you try to upgrade one entity of this drone, it's going to if you're thinking to use this, like, whole base as a or like, you want to DIY something, then you can try. But apart from that, if you're thinking just to change few things, don't do it, because it's waste. I don't think even this like, the frame is that good for your DIY projects. It does fold, uh, but like, I don't have that confidence that it will really, like, be used like that for many times, because those joints feel very very weak. So yeah, my honest review, I'm okay with this, because this is for to play. So if you're thinking to buy this for something else, don't buy it. So this is my honest review. If you want, I can upload a video of how I will fly and how does it fly, so I can give you much more like, detailed review. If you want, I can even compare with DJ drone, so a Mini 3. So please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks guys, bye bye.